Okay, back now.
May bomb squad ba sila? Okay, may bomb squad sila.
In-engage ko.
Meron daw long.
Dev. Guys, Cozy, you have all the pots in the world. You didn't even pop it. Nice one, bro.
Naglag daw.
Naglag ang puta. Southeast, get ready, guys. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast. Okay, back.
Ah, papatay sa'yo si Joe.
Nice one. Hold.
Dismount now,
Ayun.
along in the zone.
Ba't ako lumabas?
Go back northwest. Def now. Ba't kayo nagpapa-farm dyan, pre? Ba't kayo nagpa-farm dyan? Come southwest. Nagpapa-farm kayo dyan, pre? Ang dami yung defensive. Pag walang defensive, balik.
Go back. Oh my
Come
gosh.
sawas.
Nag-engage sila.
Si Archie.
Guys, take space on the west. Ba't patay si Arky? Ba't patay lahat ng ditang ko?
Na-DC siya.
Ang ina. Guys, hagwall here.
Punta sila sa
Yes, walk up.
Yo, Isa, Gerdy in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, no.
Boom.
Nice one.
Nag-GG nila.
Back now.
Patay.
Yo, come back southwest. Ditang don't die.
20%.
Come southwest.
Go back.
Guys, hug the wall here.
Go back a bit. Don't be too far.
Sarado.
You're overextended. EG ko yun.
Just hold.
Di na binubok yung north side na gate, yung small room.
Sige lang.
Pwede ka mag-ano? Pang southeast.
Yung southeast
Southeast
yung...
na ano.
Oo.
Deftox ready to pop Clerica. And Pots.
Yo, defend.
Okay lang.
Gago, ba't tang ina nandiyan kayo walang defensive, paulit-ulit na lang kayo. Jules, trigger ka na agad, Jules. Reset ka na agad. Trigger ka na agad.
Dali. Load ko lang food mo. Dapat.
Rest lang ako. Right here, go front.
Sa akin yung footage mo. Going southeast sila.
Yo,
Lumalabas sila.
Going southeast.
Ditangs, don't get farm, don't get farm, please. Ditang, don't get farm.
Nag-mount up sila.
Come southwest. Click. Get ready southwest, guys. Okay, get ready southwest.
Meron pa southwest.
Southwest in 4, 3, 2, southwest now. Okay, back. Defend.
Mesmer, wag ka dito, Mesmer.
Go lang.
Yeah. 60%.
Hold on. Go back northeast. Come east. Ditang. Don't say it too far. Come here.
50%. Nag-engage ulit.
Yo, Arawan, Zin, alis na kayo dyan. Arawan, Zin, i-give up ko na yan. Alis na kayo dyan.
Kasi, ipat ako na nata side. Ditang, ano kayo sa second gate? Huwag sa labas.
Andito pa sila sa gate.
Kung nasan si Mitra, doon kayo.
Kung makita yung gate, project na lang.
Guys, stay here, guys. Stay here.
Lux.
Look southwest.
Holding na sila sa southwest.
Kapang nilax, oh.
Lux, mamamatay ka.
Sige lang.
Hold, guys. Hold. Yo, def.
Looking.
Yung reset ako.
Ang deep mo, pre.
That's fine. Guys, take space here, guys. Here. Silva, nakatingin sila sa inyo, ah. Ingat na lang.
GG ko sila para sa Silva.
Guys, where are you in southwest?
Going
DPS?
southeast.
Frostbite, Red Hair, go
Going
back.
southeast.
Sobrang
Hold
deep
here,
nyo,
hold
kayong dalawa lang nandyan.
Okay, saan sila ngayon? Come southeast.
Southeast.
Yeah. Guys, take space here, guys. Same thing. Take space here. Do not show yourself. Yo, I need some scout here. I need some scout on the small room, guys. Mitra. Ito sa small room. Guys, get it def. Okay, get it def. Wait.
Wala pa. Maglukat to sa Defrax. Going southeast again. Nag-def sila sa bomb squad.
Yo, get it def on the front. Ready. Def on the front. Ready.
Engage.
Yo, counter. Northeast. Yo, click the gate. Wait. Dito, go to them. Walk in. Southeast on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, Southeast on me now. Okay, go back southwest. Hold them. Def now. Go back southwest. Locust and go back southwest.
Engaging.
Go back southwest. Go back south.
Relax.
Yeah.
Okay, they're looking.
Ay mo.
They're looking.
Passing gates to. Makanda na yung pats ko.
Oh, overweight ah.
Hindi. Lalabas ako dito.
Warning ka sa akin.
Hold.
Sino overweight?
Silphy.
Looking na.
Selfie.
Nag-gain shop na sila. Looking na. Again. Nag-gain shop na
Sige lang. Yo, inside on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, east now. Okay, go. Def.
Inching up na.
Go baba. Ilang percent yan? 67.
60.
Okay. Guys, go. Click the gate here. Come northwest.
Northwest, guys.
Loko si Jennifer.
Come northwest.
In Lord room.
Come southwest. Doon ka sa small room, Silva. Spread.
Tirani, second gate. Careful catching.
They're catching, guys. I'm already here.
Ingat kayo sa Yilimon niya. Nakikidnap yung Yilimon na yan.
Come south.
Southeast pa rin. South na.
Okay, come south.
Clearing elite guards.
Wait.
Careful over the wall.
Held the bomb. Yo, ready defend, okay? Ditang, hold this choke. Hold.
Engaging.
Dev. Sige lang. Bomb squad nila yon. Go back northwest.
Inengagean nila ako.
Sige. Hold lang dito.
Engaging southeast. Oh,
Ang ina.
Focus. Sa office.
Hold. Hold, guys, ready def on front.
Looking.
Engaging.
Yo, counter southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, southeast now. Okay, go back northwest again. Go back. Hold.
Patay ako.
Yo, def now. Come back northwest. Wait. Hold this. Hold. Ayo, go back northwest. Okay, southeast ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast ready. Okay, come back northwest. Defend. Push. Pull defend. Come northeast. We brawl and spread here. You guys look west. Defend west. Yo, everything on me. Southeast. Okay, get ready southeast, guys. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast. Kill the bomb. Nice one. Kill the bomb. Okay, come southwest. Spread. Defend ready. Yo, hold southeast, guys. Come southwest, Mark. Come south.
Meron din sa west end ba? Meron din sa west end.
Spread, defend ready. Guys, full spread, guys, full spread. Full spread. Guys, look south, defend south. Look south in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, everything southwest. Everything southwest. Okay, go back northeast and brawl. Brawl and spread. Brawl and spread, guys. Just brawl and spread. Full spread on the Lord room. Brawl and spread on the Lord room. Spread on the Lord room. Brawl and spread on the Lord room. Spread.